Hi guys, how are you doing? My name is Janine, and today I'm here to talk to everyone about this product here called Medicinal Garden Kit. So if you really want to know more about Medicinal Garden Kit and its whole truth, I'll tell you everything and all the relevant details. I must tell you about some very important warnings about Medicinal Garden Kit, so I suggest you pay close attention and watch this video until the end, okay? Guys, many people are asking what is Medicinal Garden Kit, how it works, and if it is really good, if it is really worth. So, the answer is yes. The purpose of the Medicinal Garden Kit is to give people the tools they need to start a medicinal garden in the convenience of their own backyards. Nicole Apelian, the kit's creator, is absolutely convinced that doing so will enable everyone to take control of their health just as she did to manage her multiple sclerosis. This kit, in our opinion, is as complete as it gets given that the expert selected all of the seeds for 10 herbs, which are accompanied by a free medicinal guide. Growing plants is one thing, but Nicole Apelian believes that making sure they are used properly and safely should be greatly prioritized. This kit literally has everything you need to know about growing in your own backyard. Another thing I liked a lot was that, besides the packages with each type of seed, the kit comes with a medicinal guide with step-by-step instructions on how to plant, grow, and harvest each one, so it is very simple to understand and follow by the way. Thank you, Nicole Apelian, for making this kit, because I'm really going to have a complete natural pharmacy in my own backyard and finally be able to take control of my health into my own hands. Inside your medicinal garden kit, you'll find 10 smaller packages, with each type of seed high-quality non-GMO seeds packaged in the US. Even if you've never planted anything before, you'll have no trouble growing these 10 plants. You will find details on how to plant, grow, and harvest each one in the free herbal medicinal guide from seeds to remedies that you'll receive with your medicinal garden kit. Also remember, guys, they offer a 1-year satisfaction guarantee. So, for whatever reason, if there's anything you don't like about it, you can actually ask for a refund and they'll give your money back. So now I have an alert for you guys, and that is to make sure you buy it from the official website in the description of this video. This way you won't get in trouble with fake products, and you'll be sure to get an original. Thank you so much for watching this Medicinal Garden Kit review video.